Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video. In this video, my friend Firman Hapemunte and I am Marcel Berbaginting. We will be presenting about the global economic landscape and explaining several key indicators and trends that shape the world economy. This video is for the assignment of Basic English Communication for Banking and Finance course. Key economic indicators. To understand the health of an economy, we begin by looking at several key indicators. GDP shows us how fast the economy is growing. Employment indicators help us see whether people are finding jobs and how wages are changing. Inflation tells us how quickly prices rise and how purchasing power is affected. Confidence indicators shows how consumers and business feels about the overall economic situation. Together, these indicators help us evaluate the strength or weakness of an economy. Next is GDP, jobs, and inflation. These three indicators are considered the core of economic analysis. GDP measures the total of value of goods and services produced in a country. Job data shows unemployment levels, job creation, and wage growth, which influence consumer spending. Inflation reflects how fast prices are rising and what factors, such as supply issues or strong demand, drive those prices change. Understanding these three elements gives us a clearer picture of overall economic condition. Next is consumer confidence, manufacturing PMI. Next is consumer confidence, manufacturing PMI, and retail sales. This slide focuses on three indicators that help us understand short-term economic condition. First, the consumer's confidence index shows how optimistic or worried people feel about the economy. When confidence is higher, people tend to spend more, which support economic growth. Next, the manufacturing PMI helps us see whether factories and manufacturing business are expanding or slowing down. It reflects production activity and overall business sentiment. Finally, retail sales growth shows how much consumers are spending in stores and online. Retail spending is important because consumer demand is one of the main drivers of economy. Together, these three indicators help us understand how consumers and business behave in the current economy.
Let me introducing myself. My name is Roman Hakimunte. Uh, Today, I want a presentation my PPT about global economic trends. There are several big trends that are changing the world economy. For explanation, one, digital technology and AI are growing fast. Two, some countries are aging, others have young population. Three, companies are changing their supply chains. Four, many countries invest in green energy and sustainability. For the next, we are studying equality and inclusive growth. Another important issue is inequality between people. For explanation, wealth is increasingly concentrated in the hands of small groups, creating a wide gap between high-income and low-income population. Rapid technological change also widens the skill gap, as workers who lack digital or advanced competencies or left behind will high-skilled workers benefit more. This inequality affects access to education, healthcare, and economic opportunities, which can slow national development. To address this, many countries implement policies such as reskilling programs, digital literacy training, social safety nets, and progressive tax to ensure that economic growth is more inclusive and benefit a broader segment on. In the next slide, we are study about central banks. Yeah, because central bank help keep the economy stable. In central bank, chairman goal include keeping inflation close to 2%, maintaining currency stability, and supporting employment. Over the past few years, many countries have raised interest rates to control rising inflation, hoping to slow spending and bring prices down. Major central banks such as the Federal Reserve or FED, the European Central Bank or ECB, and the Bank of Japan or BOJ often take different approach depending on their economic condition and target. Monetary policy does not work instantly. Its effect usually take around uh, 12 until 18 months to fully influence the economy, making teaming and communication especially important. Yeah, in the last slide, we are study about conclusion. The global economy has challenges but also opportunities because to navigate an unpredictable global environment, countries and business need to monitor key economic indicators and understand how they influence growth. Adapting to new trends crucial, such as digitalization, sustainability, and shifting consumer behavior is crucial for staying competitive. Flexibility and quick response to change help organizations overcome risks, seize new opportunities, and build long-term resilience in the face of future uncertainty. Yeah, they conclude our presentation. Thank you.